It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe.
She asked, guys, she asked.
It dries fast.
Yeah, I think also the AC too.
Yeah.
And when it's wet, it might pick up more light, so. Yeah, cool. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. Today I'm in the studio with Eleanor, and we have like this goddess vibe thing going on. What we are doing is a 2-light studio setup, and I didn't want it to be too traditional, especially with the styling. So what we decided to do is, Eleanor actually, should I tell them? I just finished school. I should tell them? Okay, Eleanor actually just finished fashion school here in Ghana. What was this called?
Draping.
This is called draping, right? But the fabric, this is...
Oh, it's grey bath.
Grey baths. That's what you used to like try out patterns and things before you actually make an outfit.
Literally like just cheap fabric that you can use to test out patterns. See the fit is great, the design is great before you go into fashion fabric.
All right, cool. So what we decided to do is rather make something out of that fabric for our photo shoot. And it just felt like if we just drape it around here, it would give us like an immortal vibe, like a goddess vibe. We decided to put it together, create a look, and just see what we can come up with in the studio. So let me quickly run you through the lighting setup and then we can start shooting. So my main light is my Explore 400 and it's coming through my 120cm deep octa. And what that's supposed to do is just give us like soft flattering lights on our subject, because we want her to have like the best, like, you know, we want her to really glow in the photo shoot that we're doing, and this light is not going to create any unwanted shadows in like areas that we don't want. So this is going to give us very flattering light, which is actually going to complement the look that we are going for. And because it's coming in from one direction, the opposite side is definitely going to go dark. So I'm just adding this reflector here to bounce some of that light back. Then in the back, we have our strip box. Ideally, the way I'm shooting wide open, and because it's in the studio and we also have this LED light in the studio, it's all going to influence the shoot. But what I want to do is rather shoot in high-speed sync so that we can combat like all of the lights going on in the studio and then just have these 2 lights light up our subject. Luckily, all these 2 lights have the ability to go into high-speed sync, so we wouldn't really have issues when we're using both of them. So this is positioned in such a way that it's going to rim her out of the back. Because we're doing high-speed sync, a lot of these lights, especially the main one, won't travel all the way to the back. So we're just going to see like a lot of the concentration of light on our subject. So when it's going dark, we want to add the rim lights for a bit of separation so she pops off our background even more. Maybe in post-processing, I will still darken the background a lot more just so I can make her really pop off the background. But so far, I'm loving the way it's looking. I can't wait to show you guys how it's looking like in front of my camera or behind my camera, or like, I just can't wait to show you guys how the images turn out. So let's just, you know, add more character to the dress and we can start shooting. Okay guys, as usual, I'm shooting with my Canon R5 and I'm pairing it with the 85mm 1.4, shooting at 1.8, shutter speed 1/320 because of high speed sync, and ISO 100. Actually, to demo, I want the guys to see like what each light is doing. So with just our rim light, let me just take a quick test shot. So you can see that's just the edge light going on. And when I turn on the main light, yeah, perfect. Yeah, beautiful, I love it. I'm going to move my main light just a little bit closer so it gets a tiny bit stronger. Oh yeah, that's nice. I love that. Beautiful. Nice. One more. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Beautiful. I love that. One more. Okay, so what if you just stand straight and hold the prop in this hand?
I'm not gonna have this too.
No, I mean not straight like this. You can still bend, and then so this comes in that hand. Yeah, just like that. Not so low. A little lower. Yeah, right there. Perfect. And then you can look off towards the light. Bring your eyes back to the camera. Chin up a little bit. Yeah, perfect. One more shot. Awesome. Let's do a House of CB pose. So the hip, the hand, the chest. Yeah. Perfect. That's nice. One more. I like the slits rather on this side. Yeah. I love that, Sekou. Yeah, that's nice. One more. But move your hip, like, yeah, and then bring it back, and then just bend. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. That's nice. And then chin up towards the light. Yeah. Ooh, fire. I like the sultry look in the eyes. One more. One last shot, and I think we're done. Awesome.
Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you?
I forgot to talk about these things down here. Trust me, no plastic containers were harmed in the making of these photos. Their sole purpose is just supposed to catch the water dropping from the clothes. No purpose in the photos at all. But anyways, let me know, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, if you got some inspiration out of what we did. Let us know in the comments down below. And if you want to see more videos like these, subscribe, hit the like button, share so others will benefit as well. Catch you guys in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up. Else this goddess is going to find you.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Yeah.
I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you.